Hi guys, welcome to AM Dance YouTube channel. Today we're doing a step-by-step tutorial for Extra L by Jennie. As usual, there's no music. We will show each move slowly, then with counting. Chapter timeline will be in the description, and you can try with slow music by following our shorts at 60%, 80%, or 100% speed. Let's get started.
Arms slowly go up, then drop down, drop, turning to the side, arms and then left leg raise up. Then step on your left leg with chest roll and then clap. And booty go rolling from right side to left side. Then open your fingers, make it together. And then arms go to the head, go all in. Okay, let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's continue. And then both arms going to forward, step on your left leg, hands, and then hip, circle right to left. Okay, arms and hips going to the same way, go down to left. And then arms slowly go up at the same time. Booty circle round for 2 times. Start from right to left. At the same time, go up, and then hands reach to the top. And drop down slowly with your arch. Both arms drop and the feet go together. And hold the pose. Okay, try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Okay, start from the 8. Your right hands slowly wipe down and hands wipe. And then change the feet. Now step on your right leg, hands go stars. Hands cross, open. This part has a little bit like grooving. Hands drop down on your leg. And then next, your arms go left, arm go up. And then switch. And then switch again. After switch, then to roll. So it should be go down, left, right. Yeah, your right leg go up. Okay, one more time. Down, left, right. And then when your left arm go up, then hip go out. Right arm go circle. We want to go circle 3 times. Okay, let's try from here with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay, try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Start from this 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And then hands go cross. Change balance, right side. And then arms on your head. Wave body. And hands go up. Your right hands go pop and big. So it's a small, big swing. Okay, try with counting. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hands 8, 1. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yes. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. After swing right arm, step on your right leg, go up, and the hip go cut. Your hip actually go up, down, but accent is go down, up. Yes, the accent is go down, so hip go down, and hip going up, down, and same thing but with clapping. The counting will be 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7 clapping, arms on your head. And arms go through your body all the way down with your chest. And then hands on your head again, like a fast go up. Then slowly, but both arms drop down with bend and jump, feet jump together. Okay, let's try with counting arm. Let's go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Chest roll. 4 up. 5 go down. 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after go 7, 8, step on your right leg, your hip going to the right side. Go step right, left, right, left. And then other side, left, right, right. And then kick your right leg, turning to the left. The supporting leg will be left leg. Go kick over, step, hip going forward to backward. Yeah, going to right, back, left. And step your right leg back, hands go cross, body go forward a little bit. And open hands. Okay, let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's start from beginning with counting. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Great job for finishing this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and let us know about other dances you like to learn in the comment. See you next dance!